Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC15 in Austin, Texas, and we're here at the Avere Systems booth with Behn. How you doing today, sir?
Great, Rich. How are you?
Well, great. You know, it's the last day of the show, so I thought I'd come, and catch up with you guys. What's new with Avere Systems at SC15?
All right. Well, Avere Systems is now offering you ultimate cloud flexibility. We've now announced full support across 3 different cloud service providers: Google, Amazon, and Azure. And now we offer customers to be able to move their compute workloads across all of these different cloud providers and store data across these different cloud providers to achieve ultimate flexibility.
Okay. And I've been reading a lot about cloud bursting. How does Avere enable cloud bursting?
No, it's great. So cloudbursting is the concept of taking your applications that no longer fit within your data center from a compute demand perspective and moving them into the cloud where you have theoretical infinite compute capabilities. Some of the challenges involved with that are the storage piece of it and how do you access the data that your compute jobs are working against. So our technology enables the facilitation of moving these compute workloads without having to shovel your data up into the cloud and then dump truck it back down when you're done with it.
Okay, so how do you get around that? What's the secret sauce there?
So we've been doing this for quite some time, just in the data center. Now that we can do it in the cloud, we have these capabilities of caching file system data across various different topologies. So what we can do is we can take your petabytes upon petabytes of data that sit at rest on premises and pull little bits and pieces of it into the cloud to compute against on demand and in real time.
Because I think I get it now, but I'm still trying to plug in. What about this hybrid cloud computing? How does that work with the Avere thing?
Right. So the whole idea between hybrid or behind hybrid is really the ability to use on-premises and cloud infrastructures in conjunction with each other, and offering flexibility to move between the two is really is what you benefit from with the hybrid cloud.
Okay, Bernie, well, this being the supercomputing show, a lot of scientific researchers here. Can you give us a use case where, these supercomputing guys, these university researchers, how they're using Avere to get their work done?
No, absolutely. So they're actually, a really good one is the life sciences workflows, where people are generating data on premises from, let's say, genomic sequencing and the like, and then they have the need to compute on this data in the cloud. So the ability to be able to store the data on premises temporarily while it's being ingested and then compute on it in the cloud is one thing, but then once they're done consuming the data on premises, they have no need to store it there anymore. So it makes it ideal to store it in the cloud at that point, and then you can reverse the equation and say, well, if I need to compute on it again on premises, I still have access to the data through the hybrid cloud capabilities of our solution.